I got this huge package from Amazon. Let's open and see what's inside. So it's a Formula car which I ordered from Amazon recently. So in this video we are going to review this car and the internal parts of this car inside, like the motor circuits and everything inside. So the package contains a big car, a remote, a charging cable, some screws, and the user manual. This car can be controlled with the mobile application as well. So this remote needs two AA batteries. Let's put the batteries and have a test run. It needs to turn on the car by pressing the switch beneath the car. It needs C-type cable to charge this car. It runs quite smoothly. Now let's operate this car using a mobile application. So at first we need to install the Mirana app from Google Play Store. After installing the application, we need to turn on the Bluetooth to connect this car. Just give the permission yes, and we need to turn on the car to connect the Bluetooth. So there are several modes to run for this car. I will try the Drive Mania at first. So this is what the user interface is. Forward, backward, left, right, and this one is the light, but this car has no light. And the music, we can even play the music from our cell phone. And this other modes, eco and road, everything is nonsense. It don't work actually. So all we can do is just run this car and play the music. See, the top speed, it shows like 89 km per hour, but the actual speed this car reaches is around 15 to 20 kilometers per hour. Let's see this another mode, free play. It is also almost the same thing. Forward, reverse, and turn right and left. Now let's see what's inside this car. It has lots of screws to remove. So this is the motor inside. This motor runs the car, and I think this motor is not that powerful. So maybe in future I will try to replace this motor with a bit stronger one, so that we can get more thrust and get a better speed. and the another motor to turn right and left. This motor is a bit weak. Still, we don't need this motor to be more powerful because it is just going to use for turning the car. But the motor to run the car needed to be more powerful. So overall, this car is not that up to the mark. I mean, the speed is not that great, and it don't provide just that much of thrust actually. So yeah, if you want to buy, you can buy. That's enough for now. Make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.